of rooftop solar systems. Mangalore Special Economic Zone Limited has invited proposals to install 4 megawatts of grid-connected rooftop solar systems to supply power for 25 years on a fixed tariff basis. The successful bidder must also provide comprehensive operation and maintenance service of the project for 25 years. The successful bidder must sign the agreement within 15 days from the date of issue of the letter of allocation and must obtain says unit status approval within 2 months after the LOA. The project must achieve commercial operation within 24 weeks from obtaining the says unit status approval. The last day to submit the bids is June 22, 2022. The bids will be opened on the same day. India needs just 14 gigawatts to meet the 60 gigawatts large-scale solar target by 2022. India has installed 45.6 gigawatts of utility-scale solar capacity to date, 14.4 gigawatts shy of meeting the government-set target of installing 60 gigawatts by 2022, according to MNRE's India Solar Project Tracker. In 2015, the government announced the ambitious target of adding 175 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2022, which included 100 gigawatts of solar. A total of 60 gigawatts was targeted for large-scale solar installations and 40 gigawatts for the rooftop solar sector. Only 7.6 gigawatts of rooftop solar has been installed in the country so far. While the 100 gigawatts of solar by 2022 is out of reach at this point, the 60 gigawatts large-scale solar target is very achievable. A little push from the government to remove some of the hurdles facing the industry can help India meet its large-scale solar goal. If the government can facilitate the commissioning of stalled projects, that alone can get us over the line, commented Raj Prabhu, CEO of Makam Capital Group.